So let's discuss one more puzzle, right? Uh, I will suggest first try to solve this puzzle by yourself, then look at the solution. In my perspective, this is really a good puzzle. Okay. Now this is given to you. Now there are 8 persons go for a trip, right? On a different dates of the same month. And different scenario is given to you. Like Q4 goes for a trip 3 days before V. Okay. Means I'm just putting the direction so that you understand that Q will come before V. Okay. Q goes for a trip 3 days before V. Okay. Only 3% go for a trip between V and W. Okay. Okay. This can be like this or this can be like this, right? Anything is possible, right? Okay. Now P goes at least 6 days after R. Means after R, P will go. Okay. At least 6 days. After at least 6 days. Okay. Done. And only 2% go for a trip between T and S. Okay, either this is possible, this is also possible. Did you understand? Right now we don't know how to start, because different situation is given to us, right? And sometime you will also stuck in the same kind of scenario where you don't know how to start a question. Okay. So if you will observe the dates 9, 12, 15, 17, 21, 24, 27, 29, so you will notice one thing. The Q and V will be adjacent to each other. You know why? Because if it is given to you, Q goes for a trip 3 days before V, it means if 9 is for the Q, 12 is for the V. And there is no date between 9 and 12. Okay. Same with the 12 and 15. Same with the 17, 21. Okay. Because 17, 3, 21. No, it's like 15, 16, 17. Again, 24 plus 3, 27 is also okay with that. So please understand what I want to convey. For this scenario, they will be adjacent. Why? Because Q goes for a trip 3 days before V, and according to the date which is mentioned to you, 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, if Q is 9, V is 12. Okay, if Q is 7, Q is 17, 3, 20, no, 20. If Q is 21, V is 24. And if Q is 24, V is 27. So this way, basically, multiple option possibility exist. Right now, I'm writing down just note with the dates. I'm just writing down this way. They are together. Okay. Now from here, two scenario develop. Now between V and W, there are 3%. So between V and W, there are 3%. Either this is also possible and this is also possible. Okay. This is the meaning of this line, right? And right now I use this line, but I cannot use the point 3 and 4. I cannot use the point 3 and 4 because right now we don't know where is R, where is P, where is T, where is S. We are not aware about this information. Okay. Now let's move toward the next point. S does not go on an even number date. This is very much sure that S will be for the odd date. And this is the surety. Done. S does not go on an even number date. S will go on an odd date, right? Okay. P goes for a trip one of the dates before T. Very important point. P goes for a trip one of the date before T and one of the date after W. This pattern will be fixed. W will come first, then P, then T. Okay. Now I can use this information at least in this diagram directly because W, P, T should be like this. Okay. But you notice now there are 8% and 8 is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now only if you understand Q, V, W, T, W, P, P, T, Q, V, RSU is remaining. And if you will move forward, then you will notice one thing. At most, one person goes for a trip between S and U. Means between S and U, either they are together or between S and U, there is one person. And left, right, they can also change their position. And R does not go for a trip adjacent to you. Means R and U will not come together. This is the scenario that we have to use. Okay. Now understand it, right? Now, if you'll notice properly, three positions are left and SUR can come here. SUR. Okay. And you notice that R and U cannot come together. And between T and S, there are 2%, right? It means you have to put S here. Okay. And now the two position remaining where R and U will come. So R and U cannot come together. So this position is rejected. This is what we need to understand. Okay, rejections we need to understand. Which scenario you can reject. Now let's move toward this point. W, there are five people in basically there are five position we are mentioning in the diagram. Let's use the scenario now. Okay. Now after do W, P and T will come. Okay. So one scenario is very common to in front of us that let's say after W, P and T, let's say 5, 6, 7, 8, either I don't know, the somebody can also come in here and here, right? Now if between T and S there are two-person, so obviously here TNS cannot come. So TNS either here cannot come. Are you getting a point? So TNS should be like this: if T is here, S is here, right? Or you can say that if S is here, T is here. Are you getting a point? 2, 4, 6 scenario is here, right? I don't know about the other stuff, but we know very well total is 8. So 6 is in front of us right now. Okay. So because it's not possible, now there are three position. If you will take, let's say 3 are here other than 5. So again, TS not possible here. So definitely the Q and V will come between T and S. This is the understanding that we need to use. Okay. And we need to understand one thing. Now there are, if you will observe carefully, they are the six position. There are basically, there are six things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Who left? R, U, who is remaining? R is remaining, U is remaining, and P is remaining. Okay, done. Now, if T is here, definitely P should be here. You understand why I'm saying this P is here? Because after W, P and T will come. Done. Now, only R and U will remaining. Definitely R and U will not here together. They cannot come according to this point, right? And we know very well after R, P will come. After R, P will come. So definitely R should be here and U should be here. And if you will mention the dates 9, 12, 15, 17, 21, 24, 27, 29. Another condition also filled. S is odd date and P after R at least 6 days, 9, 6, 15, all condition fulfilled. So this is the final representation of all the 8 persons. And the question with us, among the following person goes for a trip just after W? Who will go just after W? P will go. I believe P will go, right? So, which among the following person goes for a trip just before W? Sorry, before W is R, not P. After है ना P तो, right? So we can say that who among the following person goes for a trip just before W? R is the answer. And here you learn one more video, right? About the here you learn one more stuff related to the puzzle. Okay, again it's a good puzzle. All right. So we let's meet with a new video. Let's meet in the next video with a new puzzle. All right. I'm stopping here.